Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and apply for Halifax bank account in the UK. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type in halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply for Halifax bank account in the UK. So now I'll be switching to the screen where I have the instructions. So first of all, prepare and log in or create an account. So existing customers log in, new create account. That's basically here. Check UK eligibility. So here you need to put the UK residency, at least 18, and 3-year address history. You need to go and provide those. Then account options, you have everyday current account, reward account, and unlimited reward account. Type in which we want. Then complete the application, so full UK application, your driving license, passport, and all those things as you can see. Then verify UK identity, so passport and selfie scan. Of course, a ID verification can also be with an ID, of course, done. And the last step for this one, I'll be, of course, closing my camera. So approval and post delivery. So the post delivery is 3 to 5 days if everything is approved, of course. So you can just go and wait it at home. And that's basically that. That's how easy it is. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.